Okay. Good afternoon, all of you. So, welcome back again our lecture. So, today we will start the problem for the inventory control. Okay. So, little bit theory and one problem is remaining. Uh, so, we will start directly. Okay. So, last lecture, what we have studied? So, basic information about the inventory. Okay. Basic information about the inventory. What are the different costs are there? Ordering cost, holding cost, or carrying cost. Okay. What is actually that meaning? Okay, so today we will start EOQ problem. EOQ is nothing but economic order quantity. Okay, this is also very important for the inventory. Okay, so think on we are the manager of industry. Okay, so always this point of view is required for this chapter. Okay, so we have to order different raw material. Okay, and all the accounting of other that industry. Okay, we have to find out. Okay, so after student will came all the student. Okay, so we will share the screen. Huh? So last lecture we have discussed about the basic information and only two definitions are remaining. So we will start that definitions. Okay. Huh. So the basic information about the what is the ordering cost, what is the uh, types of classification of inventory. Okay, transient, pipeline, buffer stock, what is safety stock. Okay, what is transient stock. Okay, that reorder level. Okay, now this reorder level is also important for us. Now this we have to calculate in problem. Okay, what is lead time? Okay, which is required for the or neutral time. Whenever you start the order and whenever you place your order, an order will get. Okay, the difference between both is nothing but lead time. Okay, for the transportation for the different reasons. Okay, that lead time should be increases. Okay, but our aim to minimize your lead time. Okay, seasonable inventory and whatever the uh, anticipation inventory. Okay, different types of classification. Okay, dependent and independent we have studied. Second is a inventory review system. Okay, Q system and P system. Okay, periodic and fixed. Okay, so same. So our today point is a fixed order system and fixed period system. Okay, a fixed order is nothing but whatever the amount is fixed. Okay, there is time may be constant or time may be variable. Okay, but in second time fixed period system, the time of that ordering is fixed. Okay, whatever the amount of order is different. Okay, suppose if you take an example of fixed order system. Okay, what is the order? We have to order for example 10 automotive part. Okay, per month or per week. Okay, now this is nothing but fixed order system. Okay, but next is a fixed period system. Okay, in every week. Okay, every Sunday we have to order any item. Okay, this is nothing but the fixed period. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, so next is deterministic and periodic, probabilistic. Okay, so okay, those two types are there, deterministic and the probability. Okay, probabilistic. Okay, now what is difference between deterministic is nothing but the whatever calculations we can make. Okay, but probability, suppose COVID-19 is getting certainly. Okay, म्हणजे आपल्याला आधी माहित नव्हतं कोविड येणार आहे. Okay, that is nothing but the probabilistic. Okay, so whatever the in future, okay, we don't know. Okay, but some quantities are fixed. Okay, for example petrol. Okay, petrol is required anytime anywhere. Okay, electricity is required. Okay, now deterministic. Okay, we can calculate in future or we can calculate the periodic also. Okay, deterministic. Okay, these are the two types. Okay, some notations are there. Okay, annual demand. Okay, we will see this in problem. Okay, what is Q is nothing but quantity to be ordered. Okay, order quantity notation is a Q. N is nothing but the number of order placed in a year or total number of order is equal to N. Okay, N basically N is equal to annual demand divided by quantity. Okay, so time is also indirectly considered with the number of orders. Okay, time length of one inventory cycle gap is gap between two successive order is equal to time is equal to reciprocal of number of orders. Okay, so that we will require for the examples. Okay, so these are the basic information of deterministic model. Okay, now in deterministic and the probabilistic model. Okay, so for our syllabus only deterministic models are required. Okay, they are included in our syllabus. Okay, so first model. Now deterministic first model is the economic order quantity, EOQ. Okay, so what is EOQ? Okay, whatever the economic order, okay, what type of amount we have to order. ओके, आता उगाच माझ्याकडे पैसे भरपूर आहेत म्हणून मागवून ठेवायचं भरपूर मटेरियल. ओके, दॅट विल बी नॉट suitable for our industry. Okay, but what amount of quantity I have to order. Okay, because the holding cost may be there. Okay, suppose if you suppose take one example of pharmacist. Okay, medical example. Okay, now that particular drugs is having something expiry date. Okay, but if you are having a lot of money, okay, and you have ordered 1 lakh drugs. Okay, so definitely that might be loss of your industry. म्हणजे एक्सपायर जर त्या गोळ्या झाल्या तर ते तुम्हाला वापरता येणार नाही. ओके, बट व्हॉट अमाऊंट ऑफ ऑर्डर आय हॅव टू प्लेस ऑर्डर. ओके, टू इंडस्ट्री म्हणजे किती आपल्याला पाहिजे तेवढं आपण घेऊ शकतो मटेरियल. ओके, धिस इज नथिंग बट द इकॉनॉमिक म्हणजे परवडणार ह्या दृष्टीनेच आपण मटेरियल मागवायचं. ओके, देर आर सम प्रॉब्लेम्स, देर आर सम theoretical equation also. Okay, so we will study that. Okay, that equation is also available in book also. Okay, but problems are very important. Okay, in examination problems are important. Okay, so we will take problems also. Okay, on EOQ. Okay, so EOQ is nothing but the economic order quantity. Okay, so I have written another notes. Okay, so I will share that notes. Okay, so I think strength is very less today. Huh. Okay, so economic order quantity. Okay, so I will share my screen again. Okay, so you can take a, because today we have to solve problem, huh? So you should be with, take a pen and paper also. Okay. So economic order quantity. Okay, whatever the definition of economic order quantity, what are the formulas. Okay, so we will start that economic order quantity, EOQ. Okay, EOQ can be denoted by capital Q. Okay, in this type of problem different notations in different books are different. Okay, so we are using standard notation. Okay, for the better understanding. Okay, so after our concept clearance, okay, any problem, any type of problem we will be able to solve. Okay, so I have used a very simple notations. Okay, for the remembrance. Okay, so I'll share screen again. Okay, so okay, economic quantity is nothing but what is the definition? It is the optimum quantity of goods to be purchased. Okay, basic is it is the optimum quantity of goods to be purchased at one time. Okay, in order to minimize the annual total cost. Okay, what is annual total cost? Suppose I think one point I have forgotten. Okay, suppose you have purchased a number of items. Okay, number of amount. Okay, now definitely carrying cost or holding cost may be higher. ओके, म्हणजे बघा मेडिकलमध्ये जे काय गोळ्या असतात, ओके, किंवा जे ड्रग्ज असतात ते समथिंग त्यांना काय बिलो 5 डिग्री बिलो 10 डिग्री किंवा फ्रीजमध्ये फ्रीजर इज रिक्वायर्ड. Okay, freezing is required for different components. Okay, definitely holding cost may increase. Okay, so according to all these holding cost and what all these ordering costs. Okay, so we have to manage our total inventory. Okay, manage our inventory. Okay, so for that purpose, the EOQ is the optimum quantity of goods. Okay, to be purchased at the time of order to minimize the annual total cost. Okay, so annual total cost is nothing but ordering cost and the carrying cost. Okay, what is our ordering cost? Okay, so that will also we will study. Okay, in detail. Okay, which type of points are required for the ordering and which are point included in the carrying cost or holding cost. Okay, carrying ordering cost is nothing but some, for example, transport cost may be there. Okay, some failure may be there. Okay, anything but whatever may be there. Okay, any so we will see that cost also. Okay. Okay, so what are the ordering cost is equal to cost of placing single order. Okay, suppose we have to buy one vehicle. Okay, what is the price of that vehicle? Suppose 50,000. Okay, this is the for that ordering cost. Okay, so transportation cost is there. Ordering online different consumables. Okay, suppose I have purchased one mobile. Okay, from any online shopping site. Okay, Amazon, Flipkart, and a lot of sites are available. Okay, so there are the one amount is extra added. Okay, what is the amount? Whatever the amount of that product is plus ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट. ओके, काय म्हणतो बरं, डिलिव्हरी कॉस्ट. ओके, फ्री होम डिलिव्हरी किंवा डिलिव्हरी कॉस्ट समथिंग मे बी 5%, 10% मे बी देयर. ओके, ओके, or something pre delivery may be there also. Okay, for the as per the discount. Okay, so that cost is also nothing but the placing single order. Okay, now holding cost. Okay, cost of holding one unit for the year. Okay, according to the 1 year something amount is required to hold that component also. Okay, whatever the rent of land. Okay, suppose we have purchased the number 100 tons stainless steel. Okay, now something area is required. Okay, whatever the rent of that land is also included in the holding cost. Okay, so which type of costs are included in the ordering cost? Okay, ordering cost may be cost of staff. ओके, कॉस्ट ऑफ स्टाफ पोस्टेड गुड्स. ओके, म्हणजे जे काही ते ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन करणारे लोक आहेत त्यांना ते किंवा हमाली म्हणतो आपण त्याला. ओके, नाउ दिस इज नथिंग बट द ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट ऑल्सो. ओके, ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन मे बी देअर, इन्स्पेक्शन इज ऑल्सो एक रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, सपोज म्हणजे आपण दुकानामध्ये गेल्यानंतर कुठली गोष्ट लगेच घेतो का रे, भाजी जरी असली तरी 4-5 पेंड्या बघून आपण एक उचलतो. ओके, दिस इज नथिंग बट इन्स्पेक्शन ना. फॉर दॅट पर्पज टाइम विल ऑल्सो वेस्ट. ओके, फॉर इफ यू टेक वन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल एक्झाम्पल. ओके, केमिकल्स इफ यू वॉन्ट टू बाय डायरेक्टली आपण त्यांनी पाठवलं म्हणून घेणार आहे का? नाही, आपला एक माणूस तिथे जावा लागणार आहे. ते बाबा आपण विकत घेतोय तर बरोबर आहे का सगळं क्वांटिटी वगैरे. ओके, समथिंग इन्स्पेक्शन इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, सम स्टेशनरी टायपिंग पोस्टेज चार्जेस इज ऑल्सो देअर. ओके, और कम्युनिकेशन चार्जेस इज ऑल्सो देअर. ओके, कम्युनिकेशन म्हणजे आपण टेलिफोन करतोय त्यांना किंवा जाऊन भेटतोय तर तो खर्च जो असेल, समजा मला आय हॅव टू बाय मटेरियल फ्रॉम बॉम्बे. ओके, पंढरपूर ते मुंबईपर्यंत जाऊन येण्याचा खर्च असेल, त्या जो कोण व्यक्ती गेला त्याचा काय खर्च जाण्या येण्याचा खर्च असेल. ओके, नाउ दिस आर ऑल्सो इन्क्लुडेड इन दी ordering cost. Okay, so we have to minimize all these costs. Okay, what is our main importance as a mechanical engineers? We have to minimize all these that cost. Okay, ordering cost आपण मिनिमम करायचा प्रयत्न करायचा. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अ कॅरिंग कॉस्ट. ओके, म्हणजे कॅरिंग कॉस्ट किंवा होल्डिंग कॉस्ट इज ऑल्सो इन्क्लुडेड. व्हॉट आर द टाइप्स? ओके, कॉस्ट ऑफ कॅपिटल इन्व्हेस्टमेंट. ओके, सपोज वी हॅव इन्व्हेस्टेड 50,000 फॉर व्हेकल. ओके, नाउ होल्डिंग कॉस्ट, कॉस्ट ऑफ स्टोरेज. ओके, किंवा आपण मेडिकलमध्ये जर काय असेल केमिकल्स असतील ते घेतले तर त्याला टेम्परेचर बिलो ठेवण्यासाठी काय फ्रीजर इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड. Okay, now something electricity bill is also included there. Whatever the storage cost, cooling cost. Okay, this is also included in the carrying cost or holding cost. Okay, loss of material due to any uncertain reasons. Okay, suppose काय पाऊस आला, काय वाहून गेलं. Okay, ते बरे ते काय सगळं असेल होल्डिंग कॉस्ट. इन्शुरन्स कॉस्ट. Okay, now if you see in automobile sector. Okay, so insurance is compulsory today. Okay, म्हणजे तुम्ही एखादी 30,000 जरी गाडी घेतली, 50,000 गाडी घेतली, तर 5 year इन्शुरन्स इज ऑल्सो इज रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, बघा आता तुम्ही जर गाडी कुठे गेला असेल, तुमच्याकडे तुम्हाला जर ट्रॅफिकवाल्यानं अडवलं तर ते काय विचारायला सांगता येत नाही. ओके, त्यामध्ये एक नवीन पॉईंट ऍड झाला की इन्शुरन्स. म्हणजे तुमच्याकडे हेल्मेट असू द्या, लायसन असू द्या, गाडीचे डॉक्युमेंट असू द्या. ओके, पण ते इन्शुरन्स नसेल तर ते लगेच तुम्हाला फाईन होते. ओके, नाव दॅट टाइप ऑफ इन्शुरन्स इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ कॅरिंग कॉस्ट और होल्डिंग कॉस्ट. ओके, आणि कॉस्ट ऑफ स्पॉइलिंग ऑफ हँडलिंग मटेरियल. ओके, काही मोडतोड जे काय असेल ते होऊ शकते तुमच्या. म्हणजे वर्षभर जर तुमच्याकडे घरी ठेवून मटेरियल असेल, ओके, इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये समथिंग काय मोडतोड होणार आहे की करोजन इरोजन वॉट एव्हर नंबर ऑफ uncertainty will be happen. Okay, and that is nothing but the carrying cost. Okay, so these are costs required for our inventory. Okay, so how to minimize that cost. म्हणजे आता एवढं मटेरियल आपण घ्यायचं तिथं नुकसान होणार आहे, ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन नुकसान होणार आहे, मग पाहिजे तेवढंच मागवायचं ना. ओके, दिस इज अ सोल्युशन फॉर दॅट. So you minimize the losses. Okay, now what is that economic order quantity, EOQ? Okay, so we have to study the EOQ. Okay, so what is EOQ? Now it is the optimal quantity of goods to be purchased at one time in order to minimize the annual total cost. Okay, म्हणजे ordering cost and carrying cost we have to minimize. Okay, so what is the formula for that? Okay, so after the this is also derivation is also required. Okay, derivation is also available in book. Okay, so I will provide book also. Okay, and that derivation also, okay, very simple derivation. Okay, so I have taken here only uh, formula. Okay, so beta so we will some assumptions are there also. Economic assumptions are also required for the economic order quantity. Okay, so basically am I audible? Anyone? Okay, so yes. Okay, so EOQ. Okay, EOQ is one of the technique. Okay, now we have to use a technique. Okay, which will be minimize the total holding cost and ordering cost. Okay, so to solve this type of problem, to solve problem of the material manager. Okay, whatever the आपण काय म्हणतो purchase manager असतो इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये. Okay, this is also duty of the that manager. Okay, so we have to use that technique. Okay, some assumptions are there for EOQ model. Okay, the rate of demand is constant. That is whatever the advance we are giving. Okay, for example advance. Okay, constant म्हणजे काय आपण कन्सिडर करतो की एखाद्या वस्तूची व्हॅल्यू 50,000ची गाडी 50,000 असेल. ओके, now next is the ordering cost is constant. Okay, ordering cost is nothing but we have studied number of ordering costs. Okay, what are the transportation, what are the काय काय त्याच्यामध्ये telephonic cost. Okay, so recently we have studied that cost. Okay, next assumption is the unit price of inventory is constant. Okay, whatever the amount or whatever the price of individually should be constant. Okay, delivery time is constant. Okay, म्हणजे delivery time constant, 1 day 2 day is constant, fixed. Okay, so what EOQ represents. Okay, if you see this graph. Okay, in examination also EOQ theoretical problem or theoretical question they may ask. Okay, so you should write the different cost. Okay, definitions of EOQ. Okay, now if you see here, this is one graph. Okay, in vertical axis inventory. Okay, whatever the money we have investing. Okay, and here the another is x-axis time. Okay, now whenever we should order of the material. Okay, when you order now that here the one basic graph they have given. Okay, if you see here, now there are 3 levels. Okay, maximum level, reorder level and minimum level. Okay, suppose we have suppose take one example, purchase manager or we are the middle manager. Okay, so when we have to order different item, different product, different so if you reorder level is above. बफ म्हणजे जर संपलं तर ओव्हरऑल मशिनरी बंद पडणार आहे. ओके, मग त्याच्यामध्ये काय पाहिजे आपल्याला एक्स्ट्रा आपण रॉ मटेरियल इज buffer stock is there. Okay, next is the minimum level. Okay, you see minimum. Okay, minimum level is nothing but the safety stock. Okay, in certain, suppose due to the ordering, due to the government, ड्यू टू कोविड ऑल्सो. ओके, आता कोविडमुळे आपल्याला झटका बसलाय बरोबर मोठा इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये. काय झालंय, रॉ मटेरियल जर अवेलेबल नाही झालं तर काय ओव्हरऑल इंडस्ट्री विल बी स्टॉप. ओके, सो दॅट ड्यू टू अवॉइड दॅट failure, okay, we have to use the buffer stock or safety stock we should be holding. Okay, to take one example, sugar industry. Okay, sugar industry के maximum 4 months they will work. Okay, 4 महिने sugar industry चालते, 4-5 महिने. Okay, पण कंटिन्युअसली. ओके, मग त्याच्यामध्ये 1 मिनिट किंवा विदिन 1 सेकंड सुद्धा गॅप नसतो. कंटिन्यू जो काही शुगर केन असेल, ओके, ते ऊस तिथं सुरूच असतं बघा, तुम्ही जर कारखाना बघितला असेल तर. ओके, industry is also required follow same rule. Okay, so there are basic 3 stocks are there. Okay, maximum stock. Okay, according to the buffer stock, म्हणजे काय लोक काय म्हणतात ना, आहेत पैसे तर घ्या, घेऊन ठेवा भरपूर. ओके, so this is also different 3 levels of the raw material or order. Okay, म्हणजे 3 stocks are there. Buffer stock is the maximum stock. Okay, stock is required. Whatever the buffer stock is the real level. म्हणजे समजा तुमचं मटेरियल इथं असेल, समजा फॉर इथं मॅक्सिमम लेवलला तुम्ही मटेरियल भरलं तुमच्या इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये. ओके, यू हॅव ऑर्डर. ओके, मॅक्सिमम लेवल संपलं, एवढं मटेरियल संपलं की ओके, हा जर स्टॉक तर काय करायचं, ॲट द एंड ऑफ मॅक्सिमम स्टॉक यू हॅव टू ऑर्डर नेक्स्ट मटेरियल. ओके, मग काय होणार आहे, ऑर्डरिंगला एखाद्या वेळेस वेळ लागेल, काही वेळेस बाबा इंडस्ट्री शॉर्टेज असू शकतं. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट शॉर्टेज डेफिनेटली तुमचं काय होईल, बफर स्टॉक संपेल. बफर स्टॉक संपला तर काय पुन्हा सेफ्टी स्टॉक संपेल आणि नंतर काय होणार, युअर इंडस्ट्री विल बी स्टॉप ड्यू टू द अनअवेलेबल ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल. ओके, सो टू अवॉइड these consequences we can use the reorder level. Okay, reorder level is at between maximum stock and the buffer stock. Okay, so this is a model, EO model. Okay, so the EOQ. Okay, what is the EOQ formula? Is equal to square root of 2 into annual demand into ordering cost divided by holding cost or carrying cost. Okay, this is very important formula. Okay, this is very important problem. What is the EOQ? Okay, economic order quantity is equal to. Okay, so you should write down this formula. Okay, so we will start the problem also. Okay, okay, so economic order quantity denoted by Q. कोण येते रे एवढं लेट, काय येतं काय करणार मला कार्य करते. हां, ओके, सो इकॉनॉमिक लिंक मध्ये नाही तरी पण जरी विचारलं तर ते अवेलेबल आहे, एकदम सिंपल आहे. ओके, so we will take when we will get time or in revision also. Okay, now very simple formulas are there. Okay, so we have to remember it. Okay, whatever economic order quantity Q is equal to square root of 2 into annual demand. Okay, whatever the demand. Okay, industry. Industry is having a nut and bolt industry. Okay, or any food industry. Okay, suppose a Parle-G biscuit industry. ओके, तर काय असेल तर 10 टन. ओके, 10 टन तुमची ऑर्डर काय म्हणतो ॲन्युअल डिमांड आहे मार्केटची. ओके, एवढ्या किंवा टेक वन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द हिरो होंडा और होंडा एजन्सी. ओके, एका वर्षामध्ये तुमचे 1000 बाईक जात असतील. ओके, व्हॉट एव्हर द 1000 इज ॲन्युअल डिमांड. ओके, Now ordering cost. Okay. Now into ordering cost. Ordering cost is nothing. We already studied that ordering cost. Okay. Transportation, inspection, stationery, telephone charges, and cost of staff. Okay. This is nothing but ordering cost divided by carrying cost. Okay. Carrying cost or holding cost. Okay. So Q is equal to, keep in mind, this is very important formula for EOQ. Okay. Notations are different notations are using in different book. Okay. प्रत्येक बुक मध्ये तुम्ही ऑनलाईन जर बघितलं तर प्रत्येकाने वेगळं नोटेशन वापरलंय. ओके. कोणती C1, C2, C3 वापरलं त्यापेक्षा we have used directly short form of the whatever the cost. Okay. AD is nothing but annual demand. OC is nothing but ordering cost, and CC is nothing but carrying cost or holding cost. Okay. So this will be better for the understanding. Okay. So that's why we are using that notation. Okay. If you see in our book, okay. Now AD is OC is nothing but C1. Okay. CC is nothing but C3. Okay. Book मध्ये वेगळे लिहिलेलं आहे. Okay. So to avoid that, we have directly used the now as per the GATE example. Okay. As per GATE, this type of problems are required. Okay. म्हणजे रिमेंबरिंग साठी ते सोपे पडतात आपल्याला नोटेशन. ओके. नाव तुम्हाला जरी स्वप्नात जरी विचारलं कोणी व्हॉट इज द फॉर्म्युला फॉर EOQ. ओके. इकॉनॉमिक ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी. Definitely we can remember it. Okay. What is square root of 2 into annual demand into ordering cost divided by holding cost. Okay. This is very simple formula. So if you should write this formula definition also. Okay. So I will provide these notes also. Okay. So we will take a problem on them. Okay. This graph is also important. In examination they may ask. Okay. So these type of problem are also asked for the on EOQ model. Okay. Suppose one example. Okay. Onida Tubes Limited. Okay. Whatever the company name is there. Onida Tubes Limited are the manufacturer of picture tubes. Picture tube of television. Okay. The following are the details of their operations. Okay. Onida company आहे ते काय करते मॅन्युफॅक्चर करते ट्यूबची. ओके. टीव्ही ट्यूबची. त्यांचे फॉलोइंग आर द डिटेल्स ऑफ द company. Okay. So average monthly market demand. Okay. If you consider the Onida tube or any Samsung, whatever, Redmi, Realme. Okay. These are different industries. Okay. So what they have given, average monthly market demand. Okay. Average monthly market demand is equal to 2000 tubes. Okay. जसं आपण म्हटलं की आपले व्हेइकल आपल्या इंडस्ट्री असेल तर 1000 व्हेइकलची मागणी आहे मार्केटमधून. ओके. सपोज हे काय मंथली मार्केट डिमांड इज मंथली average monthly market demand is 2000 tubes. Okay. But we require the annually for the problem. Okay. So we will convert them. Now second is ordering cost they have given. Okay. RS 100 per order. Okay. म्हणजे ऑर्डरची डिमांड किती आहे बघा 2000 आहे. ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट 100. ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट 100 म्हणजे काय ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट. कॅरिंग कॉस्ट 20. Carrying cost. Okay. Carrying cost is including the storage cost. Okay. म्हणजे काय ट्यूब असेल ट्यूब फुटली तुटली किंवा ज्याला टेम्परेचर किंवा रेफ्रिजरेशन मध्ये ठेवायला देत असेल किंवा स्टोरेज व्हॉट इज द रेंट ऑफ दॅट स्टोरेज एरिया. ओके. जर आज जर तुम्ही ट्यूब घेतली तर कॉस्ट ऑर्डरिंग तेवढे पडणार आपल्याला. ओके. कॅरिंग कॉस्ट 20% ऑन कॉस्ट ऑफ ट्यूब. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज नॉर्मल युजेस 100 ट्यूब्स पर वीक. ओके. मिनिमम युजेस 50 ट्यूब्स पर वीक आणि मॅक्सिमम युजेस 200 ट्यूब्स पर वीक. ओके. म्हणजे त्यांनी सांगितलं बाबा अचानक आज 100 व्यक्ती येईल, कधी 150 व्यक्ती येईल, कधी 200 व्यक्ती येईल. ओके. किती विकू शकतात ते किंवा मागणी असेल तेवढी. ओके. पर वीक म्हणतो. ओके. लीड टाइम टू सप्लाय 6 to 8 week. Okay. Now what is lead time? Okay. Suppose you want to order this tubes. Okay. Something lead time is required. Okay. For the transportation, for the inspection. Okay. This time is nothing but the delay or lead time. we have read basically this problem. Okay. So okay. Given data. Okay, directly given data आपण इथं घेऊया. सेपरेट काय लिहिलेलं नाही मी होते घेत. ठीक आहे. So what is the given data? Monthly market demand is equal to 2000. Okay. So what is they have asked? Okay. Now they want to calculate the economic order quantity. Okay. म्हणजे आपण किती ऑर्डर मागितले पाहिजेत. ओके. पर मंथ यांनी विचारले. ठीक आहे. ओके. म्हणजे एका महिन्याला आपण किती ऑर्डर मागितले पाहिजेत. ओके. सो व्हॉट इज द फॉर्म्युला फॉर EOQ? EOQ is equal to 2 into average annual demand into OC. OC is nothing but the ordering cost divided by carrying cost. Okay. So all these entities they have given in problem. Okay. So write down average annual demand. Okay. Average annual demand किती असणार आहे बघा. हां. नॉर्मल युजेस पर वीक इंटू 52. ओके. ॲन्युअली पाहिजे आपल्याला. आणि इथं दिलं किती त्यांनी मंथली. ओके. म्हणजे काय दिलेलं आहे सॉरी ॲव्हरेज मंथली डिमांड 2000. ओके. आणि इथे काय आपल्याला करायचं आहे ॲव्हरेज ॲन्युअल डिमांड नॉर्मल युजेस किती आपण यूज करतो इथं बघा 100. ओके. व्हॉट एव्हर द मिनिमम नॉर्मल युजेस दे हॅव गिवन हिअर. नॉर्मल युजेस इज इक्वल टू 100 ट्यूब्स पर वीक. ओके. 100 ट्यूब दिवसाला तुमच्या असतील तर वर्षाला किती असणार आहे तुमच्या. ओके. नाव हाऊ मेनी वीक्स आर इन 1 year? एका वर्षामध्ये वीक किती असतात. घ्या कॅलेंडर मोजत बसा. ओके. सो आय विल राईट डायरेक्टली 52. दिस इज व्हेरी बेसिक नॉलेज. सो नॉर्मल युजेस इंटू 52 वीक्स. ओके. सो ॲव्हरेज ॲन्युअल डिमांड इज इक्वल टू 100. ओके. युजेस किती दिला ज्यांनी नॉर्मल युजेस 100 ट्यूब्स पर वीक इंटू 52 किती आलं 5200. ओके. 5200 रुपीज. सॉरी 5200 tubes. Okay. This is the demand. Okay. Okay. So 2 into average annual demand. Okay. We have calculated. Okay. So what is the ordering cost? Okay. Ordering cost is equal to 100. Okay. They have given in problem. Ordering cost is equal to 100 per order. Okay. And last is the carrying cost. CC is equal to carrying cost is equal to 20% of cost of tube. Okay. 20% किती 20 divided by 100 into cost of tube किती दिलेले त्यांनी 500 rupees. Okay. This is the cost of tube. Okay. 100 per tube. Okay. 20% CC is nothing but 20% tube. Okay. So ordering cost is 100 and carrying cost is also 100. Okay. So put this all value in this equation. Okay. 2 into average annual cost किती आले 5200 into 100 divided by 100. Okay. So what is the answer? Is equal to 102 tubes per order. Okay. So this is the economic order quantity. Okay. म्हणजे तुमचा should be म्हणून 1000 वर ट्यूब मागवायचं ते काय नाही. ओके. डेफिनेटली युअर कॅरिंग कॉस्ट मेन. ओके. Okay, now this type of problems are also asked. For example, okay, this is only one quantity we have taken here. Okay, so if you take so a lot of examples are available in book. Okay, so we will take one another example on same. Okay, so I will open directly book. Okay, so if you are having book, okay, Hira Gupta. Okay. So I will share directly camera and we will see a problem on book. No, I think strength is very less. Okay. Is my screen visible? Camera is visible or not? Please message or please unmute yourself. सांगा दे नाही तर आज काय होतंय जर वेळेस. Okay, इन्व्हेंटरी मॉडेल प्रॉब्लेम दिलेला आहे भरपूर. नो. पिन ऑन माय स्क्रीन. जिथे माझं नाव दिसतं तिथे पिन करा माहिती दिसते तुम्हाला. नॉट क्लिअर. ओके. कॅमेरा मुळे होते. Okay, so I will take a photo directly. Okay, so okay, this is the theoretical part we already covered. Okay, purchase cost, inventory cost. Okay, पुस्तकामध्ये भरपूर दिलेलं असते. Okay, what is shortage, stock out. Okay, all these we have studied. Okay, here this is also we have studied. Okay, so the notations are different in I think in book. Okay, so we have taken directly the short form of the cost. Okay, now that will be better for our understanding. Okay, so we will take one example. Okay, first example we will see. Okay, lot of now examples are available. Hmm. One formula I have forgotten. Okay, so to here we will take the formula. Huh. So example is here. Okay, so a stockist has to supply 12,000 units. Okay, 12,000 units of product per year to his customer. Okay, so the demand is fixed. Is my screen is visible? का डायरेक्ट फोटो घेऊ मी शेअर करू मग? हां, दिसते का स्क्रीन व्यवस्थित? Let it be. The demand is fixed and known, and the shortage cost is assumed to be infinite. Okay, shortage cost. I think this is a problem on shortage cost. Okay, so we will take this problem. Okay, so I have taken this problem in our syllabus. Okay, so we will take this problem. Before that, uh, I will take another problem. I am having one solved problem. Okay, so some formulas are added here. Okay, so problem on the there are two types of problems in our syllabus. Okay, first of problem is EOQ problem with shortage. Okay, suppose shortage is there. Okay, so optimal order quantity. Okay, some formulas are required here. Okay, so what is our main formula? EOQ. Okay, 2 into AD into OC divided by carrying cost. Okay, but if their shortage they have given in problem. Okay, shortage is nothing but shortage cost. Okay, something shortage cost may be there. Okay, suppose for example कन्झ्युमेबल्स किंवा जे काही असेल धान्य असेल. ओके, ते काय असतं रोज भाजीपाले दर रोज बदलणारे असतात. ओके, शॉर्टेज आलं तर दर वाढणार. ओके, समथिंग शॉर्टेज मे बी देअर. ओके, सो इफ शॉर्टेज इज देअर और वॉट एव्हर द व्हॅल्यू इज नॉट ओके व्हेरिएबल व्हॅल्यू जर असेल तर शॉर्टेज मे बी कन्सिडर. ओके, सो इफ the EOQ problem with shortage. Okay, some simple change is there. Okay, so Q optimal order quantity or EOQ is equal to 2 into AD into OC divided by CC into carrying cost plus okay shortage cost. So if they are given, they have given shortage. Okay, shortage cost जर दिले असेल तर काय करतो आपण into CC plus SC divided by shortage cost. Okay, so next time फक्त हे एडी जे आहे ते खाली येते. ओके, बाकी ओके इफ यू सी हियर 2 into OC divided by AD to CC. Okay, in bracket CC plus AC divided by SC. Okay, these are the common formulas. Okay, huh? You read all these formulas. Huh? Okay, so we can solve the problem. Now optimum order quantity. Okay. Hope you have written the EOQ formula, basic EOQ formula. Okay, this is the basic EOQ formula. Okay, if shortage are given, one only shortage term is added here. CC plus shortage divided by shortage. Okay, now optimum time. Okay, T0 is equal to 2 into OC. Okay, they have not given, this is also basic formula. Okay, but in our syllabus, shortage problem with shortage and without shortage. Okay, only two problems are included in our syllabus. Okay, so we will dealing only this type. Okay, so lot of types are available in book. Don't confuse. Okay, optimum time. 1 hour. 1 minute. ओके, फोन आला की बंद होत आहे. ठीक आहे. हां, is my screen is visible? I have shared my camera. Pin on my camera. Okay, कुठं होतो आपण? हां, so optimum time. Okay, optimum time for the better order. Second formula is optimum time. T0 is equal to 2 into ordering cost divided by average demand into carrying cost. Okay, in bracket into carrying cost plus shortage cost divided by shortage cost. Okay, so next formula, last formula is minimum total cost. Okay, minimum total cost Q2 is equal to Q into, okay, जे काही इथली व्हॅल्यू असेल into same ना, हां, CC divided by carrying cost plus shortage cost. Okay, now this they may ask in example. Okay, so lot of problems are available in book also. Okay, so we will take one problem. Okay, so I have given notation here. Okay, this is very important. AD is nothing but the average annual demand. OC ordering cost, carrying cost. ESC is nothing but the shortage cost. Okay, so we are dealing with first type of problem, EOQ problem with shortage. Okay, economic order quantity problems with shortage. Okay, if they will give shortage. Okay, so we will complete one problem here. Okay, you see the statement of problem, which type of problem they will ask. Okay, a commodity is to be supplied at a constant rate of 200 units per day. Okay, whatever the agency or whatever the commodity, okay, is to be supplied at a constant rate of 200 units per day. Okay, supplies of any amount can be held at any required time, but each ordering cost, okay, म्हणजे कधी पण ती ऑर्डर येऊ शकते. each ordering cost 50 rupees. Okay, काय दिले त्यांनी ordering cost? Ordering cost is 50 rupees. Okay, now cost of holding the commodity is in inventory is 2 rupees per unit. Okay, म्हणजे काय दिले त्यांनी ordering cost OC and holding cost CC or carrying cost is 2 rupees. Okay, per day, while the delay in the supply of item includes a penalty of RS 10 per unit. Okay, penalty is nothing but shortage amount. Okay, shortage cost. ओके, म्हणजे काय होतंय बघा, डिले जर असेल तर दंड बसतोय आपल्याला. ओके, ते काय असणार आहे, शॉर्टेज कॉस्ट मध्ये असणार आहे. ओके, सो वॉट एव्हर द पेनल्टी और वॉट एव्हर इट इन्क्लूड सप्लाय ऑफ द आयटम इन्क्लूड्स पेनल्टी ऑफ RS 10 पर युनिट. पर डिले ऑफ 1 डे, म्हणजे जे एका दिवसाला जसं तुमच्या लायब्ररीमध्ये बुकला दंड असतो तोच प्रकार दिला बघा एक्झाम्पल मध्ये. ओके, सो फाइंड द ऑप्टिमल पॉलिसी. Okay, and what would be the best policy if penalty cost becomes infinity? Okay, two statement they are asked. Okay, so if basic this question, find the optimal policy. Okay, find the optimal policy. Okay, so what is the what they have? First of all, write down the whatever the given data. Okay, if you see the detail, whatever the statement of problem. Okay, a commodity is to be supplied at a constant rate of 200 unit per day. Okay, 200 per unit day is nothing but whatever the supply rate. Okay, so write down supply rate of commodity AD. Okay, or demand, annual demand is equal to 200 unit. Okay, what is next? Supply of any amount can be held. Okay, required time, but each order cost is 50 rupees. Okay, so write down here ordering cost OC is equal to 50. Okay, huh. What is next? Cost of holding cost. Cost of holding is about carrying cost. Okay, carrying cost. Commodity in is 2 rupees. 200 लिहिचा 2 rupees. Okay, लिहायचं किती? Whatever the holding cost is, CC is equal to 2 rupees. Okay, and last काय दिले अजून त्यांनी? Per day, while the delay in the supply of the item includes a penalty of 10 rupees. Okay, penalty is nothing but shortage cost. Okay, so write down here penalty for delay, SA, shortage cost is equal to 10. Okay, so what are the formulas? Okay, are you remember? So if shortage is given, okay, if shortage is given, we already studied these formulas. Okay, काय फॉर्म्युला असणार आहे? Q फॉर्म्युला 2 into AD into OC divided by CC. Okay, into CC plus SC divided by SC. Okay, Q is equal to 2 into annual demand. Okay, or supply rate into ordering cost divided by carrying cost into carrying cost plus shortage cost divided by shortage cost. Okay, what will the next? Optimum time. Okay, किती टाइम मध्ये ते मागवलं पाहिजे आपण. Okay, first of all we have to give optimum quantity. Okay, optimum order quantity or economic order quantity and optimum time. Okay, they have asked in problem find out the काय म्हटलं त्यांनी मला इथं find the optimal policy. Okay, optimal is an economic policy we have to find out. Okay, as a mechanical engineer. Okay, this is our duty. If you are going to industry as a purchase manager. Okay, so next is optimum time. What is the formula? Optimum time is equal to square root of 2 into ordering cost divided by AD. म्हणजे हे वरचे AD फक्त खाली येते टाइम मध्ये. Okay, same formula बाकीचा CC plus shortage cost divided by shortage cost. Okay, and last minimum total cost. Okay, Q into CC divided by CC plus SC. Okay, म्हणजे हे उलट झालंय फक्त. काय तो फरक आहे? C carrying cost divided by carrying cost plus shortage cost. Okay, so we will move towards our problem. Okay, so I will provide that notes today only. Okay, so I think our last lecture is also OR. Okay, so please attend this lecture. Next lecture is also last lecture of today. Okay, so we will finish this type of problem in today. Okay, only one point is remaining that we will cover in next lecture. Okay. What are the given values? Attendance द्यायला गडबड किती आहे बघा. Okay, I will take attendance at last. I think 5 minutes are remaining, 10 minutes. Okay, so we will finish this problem. Okay, so what first amount we have to calculate? Q. Okay, Q is nothing but the economic EOQ. Okay, optimal order quantity. Okay, so what is formula? 2 into AD into OC divided by CC. Into SC plus CC divided by SC. Okay, so what already we have taken given data. Okay, as AD is equal to 200, ordering cost OC is equal to 50 CC. Okay, so put all these values. 2 into Q is equal to, okay, so I will write so again Q or EOQ, you can write EOQ, but this is a notation. Q is equal to 2 into what is AD? Annual demand or supply rate किती? 200. So write down here 200. 2 into 200 into ordering cost किती? 50. Okay, divided by carrying cost rupees 2. Okay, so divided by 2. Okay, what is next? Shortage cost penalty 10 रुपये असणार आहे. Okay, they have given. Okay, so write down here CC 2 plus 10 divided by 10. Okay, 10 is nothing but the shortage cost. Okay, so solve this problem. किती जाणार आहे? 2 ला 2 गेले. ओके, म्हणजे 10,000. 200 गुणिले 50. 10,000 इन ब्रॅकेट काय राहते? 10 अधिक 2 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 10. ओके, 6/5. ओके, so what is the answer? Square root of 10,000. If you are having calculator, okay, so you can make calculation. What is the ordering economic order quantity? किती असणार आहे बघा? Final answer is 109.5 unit. Okay, 109.5 unit is equal to 110 units. Okay, now this is the optimum order. Okay, म्हणजे search for that company. Okay, that company should order reorder level. Okay, म्हणजे काय असणार आहे त्यांचे? ज्यावेळेस कधी आपण त्यांनी मागितलं पाहिजे, एका ऑर्डर मध्ये 110च्या जर ऑर्डर मागितले त्यांनी ह्या कंपनीने, तर काय फायदा होणार आहे त्यांचा? ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट आणि कॅरिंग कॉस्ट. ओके, ते त्यांना मॅक्झिमम परवडणारे असणार आहे. ओके, ना दिस इज द मेन एम ऑफ आवर दिस चॅप्टर. ओके, म्हणजे आपल्याला काय करायचं? होल्डिंग कॉस्ट आणि ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट शुड बी मिनिमाइज. ओके, म्हणजे आपण काय करायचंय? उगाच जास्त काय म्हणतो आपण तसं आपल्या घरामध्ये बाजार वगैरे असतं बघा, किराणा बाजार, जेवढं लागेल तेवढंच आपण आणतो, बरोबर का? त्या उगाच आणून त्याला तर काय वाटेवर ते खराब होण्याची शक्यता पण असते. ओके, सो दिस इज द मेन मोटिव चॅप्टर. सो सिंपल फॉर्म्युलाज आर देअर. ओके, बघा, म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये कन्फ्यूज होण्यासारखं नाही. चॅप्टर तुम्ही बुकमध्ये बघितलं तर भिंगून जाईल, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही, पण आपण व्यवस्थित घेतलेलं आहे. वॉट एव्हर द रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन इज ऑल्सो व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. ओके, एवढं जर समजलं तुम्हाला, तुम्ही स्वतः जर हा प्रॉब्लेम जर शिकायला गेला तर महिनाभर तुम्हाला संपणार नाही. ओके, चॅप्टर हा. ओके, बट दिस इज we have taken a very simple way. Okay, we have taken simple way problems. Okay, so what is next? I think 5 minutes are remaining. So first, so calculate this. Okay, now next is the T0. Okay, optimum time. काय फॉर्म्युला टाइमचा सेम, फक्त हे जे काय पहिल्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये. ओके, जो काय ऑर्डरिंग अॅन्युअल डिमांड आहे ते खाली येणार आहे फक्त. काय फॉर्म्युला काय असणार आहे? 2 into ordering cost divided by annual demand into carrying cost into same problem, SC plus CC divided by SC. Okay, so put all these values. 2 into ordering cost 50 divided by annual demand or supply rate 200 into CC 2. Okay, into काय बघा हे CC 2 plus 10 divided by 10. Okay, what is the value? काय नाही बघा, आता हे 2 ला 2 गेलं, 0 0 गेला, 1/4. ओके, 3/10 येते, बरोबर का? जे काय असेल ते आन्सर काढा. सो आय थिंक आन्सर इज 0.547. ओके, नियर अबाउट 0.5 days. ओके, आय विल राईट हियर. Okay, so our answer is optimum time is equal to half days. Okay, 0.5 days is nothing but 24 hours. Okay, this is general. You can write in any format. आपण डे मध्ये लिहा किंवा आवर मध्ये लिहा. ओके, दिस इज अ एक्स्ट्रा करिक्युलर. ठीक आहे. सो दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लेम. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज नेक्स्ट रिमेनिंग? 1 इज रिमेनिंग. दे हॅव आस्क्ड फॉर दी. So already we have finished the first question. Okay, find the optimal policy. Optimal policy आपण फाइंड आउट केलेली आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये काय? ऑप्टिमल क्वांटिटी अँड ऑप्टिमल टाइम. ओके, नो दिस इज सफिशियंट. फाइंड दी ऑप्टिमल पॉलिसी. ऑप्टिमल पॉलिसी विचारलं म्हणजे व्हॉट इज द ऑप्टिमल पॉलिसी? व्हॉट एव्हर द ऑप्टिमम क्वांटिटी वी हॅव टू ऑर्डर आणि व्हॉट एव्हर द ऑप्टिमम टाइम. ओके, म्हणजे एवढ्या वेळानंतर तुम्ही ते मागवलं पाहिजे. ओके, optimum time. So what is the next? Ask what would be the best policy if penalty cost becomes infinity? Okay, infinity जर दिला असेल penalty cost. So what is the formula? Okay, so this is, I think our time is over. Okay, so we will take this remaining problem in next lecture. Okay, so last lecture apply, don't miss that lecture. Huh? So paste your roll numbers, I will take attendance. Okay, so we will finish this chapter up to tomorrow. Huh? And last chapter is CPM part. This is also very simple and important chapter for examination. Okay, so be ready and don't miss the lecture. Huh? Because our semester is becoming over. Okay, थोडा वेळ राहिला आपल्याकडे. Okay, I think सेक्शन सेकंड मध्ये काय तुम्हाला अवघड गेलं नसावं आतापर्यंत. ओके, तरी तुम्ही काय मला रिप्लाय देत नाही तरी आपलं माझ्या बाजून चालूच आहे. ठीक आहे. ओके, सो पेस्ट युअर रोल नंबर्स. आय विल स्टॉप रेकॉर्डिंग हिअर. ओके, हां, सो वी विल मीट अगेन. किती वाजता लेक्चर आप लास्ट? 4 वाजता. नाही, 4:30. ओके, सो वी विल मीट अगेन 4:30. Okay, so whatever the remaining problem we will solve there infinity. Okay, and next book मधले problem तुम्हाला दाखवतो. Okay, with EOQ with shortage and without shortage, and last point is also one discount. जर discount जर असेल त्यामध्ये तो एक प्रॉब्लेम आहे. चॅप्टर फिनिश. ओके, त्यामध्ये काय जास्त बघण्यासारखं नाही, आणि जास्त जर घुसलं तर ते काय लक्षात पण राहत नाही. त्यामुळे दिस इज सफिशियंट. ओके, सो पेस्ट युअर रोल नंबर्स. एकदाच करा, डबल घेऊ नका बरं का. मी लास्टच्या 2 मिनिटमध्ये पेस्ट झालेले नंबरच घेणार आहे, बाकीचे वरचे काही घेत नाही. त्यामुळे डबल कोणी करू नका. डबल जर अटेंडन्स असेल तर मी ते रिमूव्ह करणार आहे, ॲब्सेंट मार्क करणार आहे. मला वेळ लागतो ते अटेंडन्स घ्यायला पुन्हा. ओके, सो थँक्यू व्हेरी मच फॉर अटेंडिंग दिस लेक्चर. ओके, so you can left or you can join another lecture. Okay, so we will meet again 4:30. Nine 45 25. Okay.